Hi everybody, how are you? This is teacher Nahlu Usama with you. And let's start today to back to understand some of trigonometric problems. What is the value of x to the nearest foot? Okay, here such this part he need just x. Okay, so this is part of the trigonometry. I have to look for the x position according to this angle. According to this angle, it is the opposite, right? Found here with me the hypotenuse, so it's very easy. So I have to back, this is my hypotenuse because it is opposite to the 90 degree. I have now to find the opposite while I have the hypotenuse. So which rule of the trigonometry, which is connected between the opposite and the hypotenuse, which is sine. Sine 34 equals opposite, which is x over the hypotenuse, which is sine rule, sine x or theta equals opposite over the hypotenuse. So this is the opposite, which is x, and the hypotenuse, which is 3750. Now you can use the cross product. This is my cross product, so x in this case equals 3750 times sine 34. Use calculator, and that's all. So it is here 3750 sine 34 equals, yes, the answer here with me, it is 2096.97, yes, which is approximately equal 2096.9.7. That's enough for me. That's it. So okay, feet. So yes, the answer is number F. This is the first exercise. Okay, let's look at the next. Sine and cosine law. We'll work today with the law of sine. Start with the first exercise here. In triangle ABC, I don't have the triangle, so it's supposed to write it, to draw it, to measure the situation. This is A, B, C. Take care that the sine law, we have to use it while I don't have a perpendicular angle, or I don't have 90-degree angle. Because if I have 90-degree angle, I'm supposed to use the sine, cosine, tan with our ordinary trigonometry rules. But here, the law of sine, we have to use it in case of I don't have any right angle ever in my triangle. So what is the sine law? Sine law, it is sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C, while A capital refer to the angle, A small refer to the side length. Okay, so this is the angle, this is the side length. Okay, look at here, the first of all, let's write A wherever, B and C, and let's follow the instruction. He said measure of angle A equal 45. Measure of angle C, it is 60. Okay, and the BC, it is 10. This is the BC, which is 10. To the nearest answer, what is the AB? He asking me here, this is my problem, find the AB. Okay, if I want to use the sine law, so I have to use with the angle and the opposite to the angle, the opposite side to the angle. This is the opposite side to the angle. This is the angle, and this is the opposite side to the angle. Okay, here it's simply, you can write sine 60 over x, which is the opposite to the sine 60, equal sine 45 over 10. 45, the opposite to the 45, it is 10. So sine 45 over 10. Now let's use the cross product. If you're using cross product in this case, that's right. So here it's x equals 10 sine 60 divided by sine 45. Use calc, and that's all. So 10 sine 60 divided by sine 45 equals, the answer is 12.24 or 2, it's here too. Okay, the answer it is 12.2. So in this case, the answer is C. Yes. Okay, let's go on the next. Here he said in triangle GHK, measure of angle G, it is 102. So now I have to draw the triangle to imagine the situation. G H K. Okay, measure of angle G, it is 102. Take care, it's not accurate, it's not in measurement. GH, the length here, it is 12, right? And HK, it is 24, 28. Okay, to the nearest tens, what is the measure of angle K? So here it is the same exactly. This is the opposite and this is the opposite. Now it's very easy. So sine K over 12 equal the sine 102, which is the angle. This is the angle over 28. But take care, I need the sine, I need the K. So I don't need the sine. So in this case, if you need the angle, use shift sign. So when you are using the calculator to find the K as it is an angle, so use the shift sign. So here I can write, finally, you can write sine K, or shift, because I have to use shift here, multiplied by 28, but I will delay a little bit the multiplication here because I'm gonna make it as division, 28 here, and here it is 12 sine 102. Now use calc, but don't forget to use shift sign, right? Now let's use a calculator, shift sign, and open the fraction part, which is 12 sine 102. Don't forget the parentheses when you are working and when you are using the calculator. That's helping you too much. The parentheses, very important, because sometimes if you forget to put the parentheses or close it, it will come in your calculator as a synthetic error, which is totally making you confused, especially if you are in the exam time degree. So the answer here, it is number I. Next exercise, it will be the last in this video. Here, look at this. Use the law of sine. What is the value of x rounded to the nearest tenth? Okay, he asking me which value I need x here. So this is my problem, which is x. Okay, Here, this is my opposite to, this is my angle, and the opposite to this angle, it is x. Okay, here I have to use, where's my angle? No, I don't have. I have the side, but I don't have the angle, missing angle. And I have here the angle, but I don't have the side. But the problem here, I can find simply the angle very easily, but I couldn't find, here I can find this angle, right? But I couldn't find the length, right? So in this case, what I have to do, I supposed to find the angle here. What is the angle here? I can calculate it, which is 180, the total triangle angles minus 62 plus 46, and that's it. So, okay, now you can calculate it very easily. 180 minus, open your parentheses, 62 plus 46, close your parentheses. The answer is 72 degree. Yes, so here it is, yes, 72. Now I think you can use sine law very easily. So sine 72 divided by 13 equals sine 46 divided by x. Now simply use cross product. So now it is x equals, yes, 13 sine 46 divided by sine 72. So x equals, it is 13 sine 46 divided by sine 72. Final, yes, it is 9.83 or 8. Yes, that's it. So this is the answer. Okay, that's it. Okay. All of my best wishes for all of you guys. Love you so much. See you next video. Bye-bye.